Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm just showing you my bunny. Hi! She's so adorable, sweeter than Lottie. Damn, she's losing foe. Okay, now I'm gonna have to figure out how to get out of here. Here, easy. There's my kitty cats. Hi, Boo Boo. There's kitty cats in here. Hi, Stella. Yeah. Don't know where my little bunny is because she's running around the house. I found Augie, the new cat that we got a couple days ago. He was a stray cat kinda. Came around in August, and we named him Augie. We got him in the house like a week ago or something, and he's so sweet. He loves everybody. Don't you, Augie? I love you, Augie. Hey, don't kick me. He's very sweet. Guys, bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. I love you.